Okay, so this is presentation time. So you have to give the presentation about a story. It's named A Thirsty Crow. Am I right? Yes. So who want to give first your presentation? Very good. Oritro jon ekta big, not Oritro, Redwan. Am I right? So Redwan er jon ekta big clap dibo shobai. যে Redwan firstly bolbe. Thank you. So Redwan, say loudly.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Redwan Hafi. Today I am going to give a presentation about the story A Thirsty Crow. One day a crowd became thirsty.
Stand up. দাঁড়িয়ে বলবো হ্যাঁ। Okay.
One day a crow became very thirsty. He flew from place to place for water, but he found no water. He continued his search for water. At last he saw a jar. He peeped into the jar and saw that there was a little water at the bottom of the jar. He tried to drink it, but his beak
Couldn't catch it.
His beak couldn't
Touch
reach
it.
He tried again and again, but in vain. He became very, very hopeless. Suddenly he saw some stones near the jar. A good plan came into his head. He picked up the stones and dropped it into
the jar.
By this, the water came up. The brim, and the crow then drank the water with his heart's content and flew away with a joyful mind. Thank you for listening my presentation.
Okay, thank you, Redwan. But you need more practice. You have to read at least 10 to 15 times. Then you give your presentation again. Thank you, Redwan. Have your seat. Now, Warish, Yellow Bird.
So,
Okay.
about a thirsty crow. One day there was a thirsty crow. He was searching for water here and there, but he didn't find any water. Then at last, the crow saw a jar, and he peeked into the jar and saw that there was water bottom of the jar. Then he tried with his beak to drink water, but he couldn't. He became very sad and hopeless. Suddenly, he saw some small pieces of stones near the jar. A good idea came into his mind, and the crow picked the stones and dropped them into the jar. As a result, the water came up to the drum. The crow then drank water with its heart's content and flew away with a joyful mind.
Thank you. Thank you. Now, Abra, try to say within 1 minute, okay?
I'm going to give a presentation about a thirsty crow. One day there was a very thirsty crow. He was flying from here and there in search of water, but he found no water. He continued his search for water, and at last he saw a jar of water where he